Hey everybody, Marvin, Cozy Acre. You can see here this nice old bar, which was Carl's. We were going to turn that into our welcome center, but we've now gone a different direction. So you can see over there that says KC Dumpster. So starting this week, we'll be getting rid of this, demoing this, taking it down, and then over here you can see as I pan a little bit to the right, there's that white pipe sticking up. That is going to be our new laundromat, welcome center, and half of my shop. So big things coming. It's going to be a little bit to work with here. Going to fill that dumpster up pretty quick, get rid of this. Of course, our Cozy Acre sign, we'll obviously take it down and put it on the new building, but it's kind of our signature. You know, it's been there since we started. So like always, keep checking the chart, keep checking the YouTube channel. Anything that we have that comes up, we'll let you know. And I think in the next 10 days or so, we'll have videos going forward, just like we always have. And again, we closed the chapter on the dog park. I did my first mow on it yesterday, kind of neat. You know, it's moving in the right direction. So we've got that going for us. Dog park, we had some people actually using it today, which is kind of neat. And so now we're moving on to bigger and better things. And this is kind of the last thing on there. So unfortunately, we got lots to do. And all we lack is getting started. So check the channel. April will give you updates as we get them. So in the meantime, y'all be careful. Try to stay healthy. Heat's pretty tough out here today, but in the meantime, y'all, bye-bye.